नमस्कार मु सुलिप्ता त्रिपाठी ओरियस कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी आज इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे उपलक्षे आम ओडिया कम्युनिटी रो समस्त भौणी मानक बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा जनाऊँगी आवर लेडीज आर द स्ट्रेंथ एंड बैकबोन ऑफ आवर कम्युनिटी टुडे they go hand in hand with men in every aspect of personal and professional life and to celebrate the true essence of International Women's Day let's talk to three dynamic personalities from our community.
कटक रे जन्म नेथिबा मिताली दास पिला बेलु ही जणे हाई अचीवर स्टूडेंट थिले। सेंट जोसेफ्स गर्ल्स स्कूल और रेवेन्शा कॉलेज रे निज अर्ली एजुकेशन सारिबा परे एससीबी मेडिकल कॉलेज रे निज डॉक्टर हेबा स्वप्न को पूरा करिथिले। विवाह परे वर्ष 2000 रे घर छाड़ी आसी पहुंची सुदूर ऑस्ट्रेलिया रे ओ विगत 20 वर्ष हेला एही देश को निज कर्मभूमि भावे आपणाई नेइछंती। एबे डॉक्टर मिताली दास मुनाश हेल्थ डेलमंट और एपवर्थ हॉस्पिटल रे अछंती कंसल्टेंट साइकियाट्रिस्ट। भुवनेश्वर रे बढ़ी थिबा डॉक्टर सस्मिता महापात्र वीएसएस मेडिकल कॉलेज बुर्लारू पूरा करिथिले तांको डाक्तरी पाठ। डॉक्टर विधु महापात्रंक सह विवाह परे 2005 रे से आसी पहुंची थिले ऑस्ट्रेलिया रे। एबे जणे सफल जीपी भाबे से मेलबर्न रे कर्मरत। पुरीर आर्यमा आचार्य दिल्लीर श्यामा प्रसाद विद्यालय रे काटिथिले निज स्कूल जीवन। केवल 19 वर्ष बयस रे विवाह करी ऑस्ट्रेलिया रे पहुंची थिले 1991 रे। एठी ओडिया समाज प्रतिष्ठा रे तांकर प्रमुख भूमिका थिला। विक्टोरिया यूनिवर्सिटी रु बिजनेस कंप्यूटिंग रे तालीम लाभ करी एबे एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल ट्रेनिंग एयर सर्विसेज रे सिम्युलेटर डिजाइन एंड डेवलपमेंट निज सक्सेसफुल करियर को से आगु को बढ़ाई चली छंती।
Hello Mitali Nani, hello Sasmita Nani, hello Rosie Nani. Welcome to our Women's Day Oreos panel discussion. एक वर्ष हमारा थीम होची choose to challenge. पहले चलन तो हम हमारे गेस्ट ने हमको पहुंचाएगा. Mitali Nani, to start with, what does this phrase choose to challenge mean to you in terms of your social and personal life?
Thank you, Lali, for this opportunity. I think choose to challenge is the theme for this year's International Women's Day. If you think about it, challenges are a day-to-day topic. And I guess we all face challenges every day. To me, what I would like to think about this challenge for this year would be to support women who are moving on with their careers, trying to balance their family lives and their emotional well-being. I would like to be a support to them and also to those men who are in their lives who are trying to support their empowered women. So that's my goal for this year.
Really nice, Nani. Sasmita, what do you have to say about this choose to challenge?
Okay, Maji, so khari topic that choose to challenge Mr. Bhabuturi is such a difficult topic to discuss, but at the same time, challenge what we intimidating Bhabuturi. So I was just thinking, challenge like as women, we challenge every day. We get everyday challenges in our life, like small things like cleaning house to making bed to everything is a big challenge. आमी जदि से छोट छोट जिनस को फुलफिल करि पारुचे और चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करूचे दैट्स ए बिग थिंग इवन इफ यू आर वर्किंग और इवन यू आर नॉट वर्किंग व्हाटएवर स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ यू आर द मेनी छोटे छोटे कोर्स ऑफ द लाइफ यू आर डूइंग इट दैट्स द चैलेंज
That's so nice, Nani. Rosie, what do you have to say about this?
ମୁଁ କହିବି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆଗ୍ରି କରୁଛି ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଚୁଜ୍ ଟୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ୱାର୍ଡରୁ ଟିକେ ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ସନାଲ ମିନିଂ ଅଛି ମୋତେ ଲାଗେ ଯେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଚଏସ୍ ମିଳେନି କିନ୍ତୁ ଚଏସ୍ଟା ଥିବାଟା ଜରୁରୀ ତେଣୁ ଯଦି କିଏ ଚଏସ୍ କରୁଛି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ମା ହେବି କି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ମଦର ହେବି କି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୟାରିୟର ଓମେନ୍ ହେବି ଆଉ ଛୁଆଙ୍କୁ ବି ବଢ଼େଇବି ସାଇଡ୍ ବାଇ ସାଇଡ୍ that's a choice. I think society रो challenge है जैसे माने से choice को accept करके सीधा संगे deal करना.
Correct. So nice, Nani. यहाँ भी हमारे viewers में बहुत benefit है इस बहुत answers सुनेंगे ना. चलिए तो मैं moving करेगा हमारा next question को. So मिताली Nani आपन को पच्चीस के second question का हमारा please हमको जानना था अपन को life में की women अच्छे भी जे कि अपन को support कर चुके हैं inspire कर चुके हैं अपन को life में.
Absolutely. The first and foremost I think Mataji who inspires me and continues to inspire me is my mother. because I think when I was growing up, ଆମ ଘରର ଚାଲିଚଳନରେ ମୋର କେବେ ବି ମନେ ନାହିଁ କି we were differentiated ମୋ ଭାଇର ମୋ ଭିତରେ କିଛି difference, there was no gender bias. But when Bo was growing up, that was not so. And they came from a very conservative family. Bo ko I think mo I and Raja wanted ki college पर पहुंची गए एबे तार बाहर रही जाए. But she was a very good student and she pushed herself to refuse to get married, got into medicine, did her medicine, and then got married. And subsequently it was a joint family. More jejma karo thile, amsa thile, dada khudi thile, and she was managing her career. आमे सेतबे newborn kids थिलु. I remember कि वो केतबे भी घरे न थे, she was doing her post graduation. But yet she always found time amar homework देखिवा पाई. So I don't know how she managed it, but she was always supportive towards us, and she always pushed us to do our best. So seeing her juggle through managing the joint family, managing her career and moving forward, as well as being there for us whenever we needed.
That's so nice. मुही सुनी के ना मतलब से inspire लागे, I can definitely relate. So that's so nice.
Yeah. And she continues to. She's retired now. She's working in an NGO teaching orphans in Qatar.
That's so nice.
Science.
That's
Which
so
is not
nice.
her topic basically. And she has a walking club. She has a judo club. She writes for Odia magazine science articles. And then she tells me at the end of the day, "Oh, kichi samay gote."
True. माँ माने सेमती ही सेमानक केते responsibilities सेमाने गोटे lady सब responsibilities नहीं करे. That's so true.
The other one person I would like to say who really inspires me now is Sudha.
Such a nice choice.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think she is someone also who balances everything. But what I like about her is her philanthropy work. I feel that initial part of your life you focus on your career, then on your children's education. I think for us, or for me at least, that time is coming now when I have some time to give back to the community and to the society. So she continues to inspire.
That's such a nice choice, Nani. Mo paine se बहुत माने. So that's so nice. Thank you for the answer, Nani. So ame one Rosina Niko paku power question pachero. Nani, what gender specific challenges or stereotypes you had to overcome in your career here?
ମୁଁ କହିବି ଯେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ମୋତେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଏଭିଏସନ୍ ସେକ୍ଟରରେ କାମ କରେ. ବାଇ ଡେଫିନେସନ୍ ଏଭିଏସନ୍ ସେକ୍ଟର ଇଜ୍ ମେଲ୍ ଡମିନେଣ୍ଟ. ଆଉ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆରେ ଇଟ୍ସ ଅଲସୋ ନଟ୍ ଏଥନିକଲି ଡିଭର୍ସ. ତ ମୋତେ ଦୁଇ ପ୍ରକାରିଆ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ହିଁ ଫେସ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲି. ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି ସେଠି ରହିଲି, ଅଲମୋଷ୍ଟ 30 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି. କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଉଛି ଷ୍ଟିରିଓଟାଇପ୍ର. ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର ଥିଲେ, ବହୁତ ଓଲ୍ଡ ଫ୍ୟାସନ୍ ଥିଲେ. ଆଉ ଆମର ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ବେଳକୁ ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁବେଳେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ସେଟ୍ ରହୁଥିଲା ଯେ ଆମେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ହାୟର କରିବୁନି. ତ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବେଳେବେଳେ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରେ ଯେ କାହିଁ କରିବାନି ବୋଲି. ତ ତାଙ୍କର ଭ୍ୟୁ ଥିଲା ଯେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକମାନେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ହାଇ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ. ତ ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରେ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡୁ ୟୁ ମିନ୍ ବାଇ ହାଇ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ. ତ ସେ ସବୁବେଳେ ମୋତେ କହନ୍ତି ଯେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକମାନେ କାମକୁ ଆସିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ସ ଆସେ. କହିଲି ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡୁ ୟୁ ମିନ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ସ ଆସେ? ନା ତାଙ୍କର ଛୁଆ ଥିବେ, ସେମାନେ ଫ୍ଲେକ୍ସିବଲ୍ ଆୱାର୍ସ ଚାହାନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ ବେଶୀ ଛୁଟି ନେବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି. ମୁଁ କହିଲି ୱେଲ୍ ମୁଁ ଏଠି କାମ କଲିଣି 10 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି, ଆଉ ମୁଁ ସିଫ୍ଟ ୱାର୍କ କାମ କରେ. ମୋର ବି ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ପଡ଼ିଛନ୍ତି. ମୋ ପୁଅ 2.5 ବର୍ଷ ମାତ୍ର ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିଲି. ମୁଁ କହିଲି ହ୍ୟାଭ୍ ୟୁ ଏଭର୍ ଫେସ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ମି? ଯେ ତୁମକୁ କୌଣସି ଭାବରେ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ୍ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ୍ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ୁଛି ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ସିଫ୍ଟ ୱାର୍କ କି ମୁଁ ସିଫ୍ଟ ୱାର୍କ କରିପାରୁନି କି ମୁଁ ଡୁ ଆଇ ବ୍ରିଙ୍ଗ୍ ମାଇ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଟୁ ମାଇ ୱାର୍କ? ସୋ ସେ ଟିକେ ଥତମତ ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି ରହିକିରି ଯେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ ବୋଲି. ବଟ୍ ଏବେ ବି ସେ ଯେଉଁ କଲଚରାଲ ବ୍ୟାରିୟରଟା ଏଭିଏସନ୍ ସେକ୍ଟରରେ ରହିଛି, ୱି ଷ୍ଟିଲ୍ ଫାଇଟିଂ. ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ୍ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ କରୁଛି ମାନେ ଇକ୍ୱିଟାବିଲିଟି ଟିକେ ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ପୁରାପୁରି ଭାବରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇନି. କିନ୍ତୁ ଏବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ମୋତେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ମିଳୁଛି. ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ରହିଲିଣି ସେଠି, ତେଣୁ ଏବେ ମୋର ଟିମ୍ରେ ବି ଯେଉଁ ନୂଆ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି, ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ପୁଅ ପିଲାମାନେ, ସେମାନେ ଲେବଲ୍ ପକାନ୍ତି. ସେମାନେ କହିବେ ମାମୁ ଟାଇପ୍ କି ମୋର ମାନେ ମା ଭଳିଆ ତୁମେମାନେ. ବଟ୍ ସେଇଟା କହିବାର ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରୁ ଭଲ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆର ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଗଲେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ଯେ କନଭରସେସନ୍ରେ ମିଟିଂରେ ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଜିନିଷ ସେଟା ମୋତେ ଏକ୍ସକ୍ଲୁଡ୍ କରନ୍ତି. ସେମାନେ ଭାବନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ରିଲେଟ୍ କରିପାରିବି। So any type of stereotypes still କାମରେ ରହିଛି, even ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆରେ ବି ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସବୁ ବ୍ୟାରିୟର ରହିଛି। ତ ମୋ କହିବା କଥା ଯେ you do that, overcome that by being better than what everyone else says। ମତେ ଲାଗେ ମତେ ସେଟା କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼େ କାମରେ, to just stay professional। ନିଜ କାମଠୁ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ବି 5-6ଟା ଅନ୍ୟ ରୋଲରେ ବି ଯଦି ତମେ କରିପାରିଲ କିଛି କିଛି, you can let your work speak for you। So I think it feels like you need to do a bit more to be heard, to be seen in an environment like that।
But still नानी आपको देखिए ना हमको बहुत किसी सीखो every day। हमारे को तो हमें बहुत किसी जानने को पाओ। Thank you for that answer, Nani. So Nani, I'll move on to you. So my next question to you would be, what do you think that a language or a community-based organization like Oreos can do to raise awareness amongst our ladies on International Women's Day? What do you think?
I think Oreos can do a lot। मैंने as we giving our personal examples, we thought first time actually first we got to have a first Melbourne cast to do। First we got to know the book come here, first we got to know a couple of Oreos, we be in touch with them। Tapore as we all said, we all had young families, some career, tapore we moved to another state, and I agreed for it, we both were so busy with the little child, dijon to potapuri dijon to hotula। So we had to do that। I missed Oreos at that time, we could be part not really, but because we didn't have Oreos in South Australia not really। But because I'm sitting in a student market, so we call them come over to our house, so it's a bachelor, it's a village, so I know them all, and we had such a good time, like like besides your work you could meet them, and you could have your own common topic to talk about। But coming to the topic about how Oreos can do, I mean yesterday we had a Victoria Oreos women's men's class badminton tournament। I haven't played badminton for a long time, to be honest। Papa के साथ badminton तो चिपला दिन में आप लोग खेलते हैं, but I was always sporty in my school and career। नज़दीक तो माके अच्छा था, माके तब लड़की करे आगे अपन खेलेंगे, but what I liked about yesterday to know that Victoria इतने बड़ा, we are not able to get in touch with every corner of the park, every ladies over there is, but ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ team କରି they are practicing every weekend। So that is the goal, right? Ki everybody should come out of home and practice and meet on themselves and talk the general topic। It was so good to see that, like a lot of people were there to support their husband or they were playing by themselves, so it was really good। But I think we are doing a lot more now। आपको जो क्या कहते हैं पूजा को भी जो cultural program करते हैं, I can't think कि anybody who really from Jantis they have gone to stage and dance तो जाने program ना करता है। जितने program करते हैं they are coming out of their cocoon and doing all these things, which is so good to see। That's inspiring others also see the so many things are happening here।
That's true। Thank you, Nani। Seriously, the answers for me, I'm sure our both ladies motivate her to join our Oreos community। So yes, thank you so much, Nani। Then moving on to Mithali, Nani, we'd just like to know, Nani, is there anything interesting or exciting you're currently working on? आपने भी किसी से क्वेश्चन की जोड़े बहुत interesting बच्चे आपसे भी share करो।
Work-wise, you mean?
Work-wise, personally, जहाँ
Work-wise, so I think every day is very interesting because I deal with mental health of people, and every person is so different, and to hear their stories every day is exciting, interesting, I would say, because it's like a textbook to us।
That's true।
So every day is a learning experience for me to be able to help them। So it's like definitely, and both stories also maybe we can sit down and de-identify but other exciting things that I am involved in or I try to keep myself busy in is some cultural activities, like my support for saris।
Everybody knows about it।
So that is one thing। The other thing I enjoy doing is cooking, and I have this dream project that I haven't been able to complete, or a target slightly more because of I would write a book on Odia cooking।
That would be
traditional Odia cookbook, but Pariparini, but next for a couple of years I want to do that।
Please do that, Nani। हमारे amateur cooks वालों को भी that would be so beneficial। Please do it, Nani। So we will wait for that।
That's inspiration।
Thank you so much, Nani। So we'll move on to Rosalie now, Nani। So as you know, we have a lot of young women in our community जो मैंने कि तांकर career start करचंदी, even for that matter तांकर family start करचंदी. What kind of advice would you like to give them in country रे बाहर country रे रहबा ପାଇଁ कि how do they go about?
Interesting question. Actually, again, ମୁଁ ତ ମୋରି example ଉପରେ କହିବି ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ବି କହିବି ଟିକେ ନାକୁ। ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇନିସିଆଲି ବାହା ହେଇକି ଆସିଥିଲି ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଛୋଟ ଥିଲି, ମୋ 19 ବର୍ଷ ବୟସ ଥିଲା, ମୁଁ ମୋର ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ବି ସାରିନଥିଲି। ମୁଁ ବାହା ହେଇକି ଆସିଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କଲି ଯେ ଏଜୁକେସନଟା ଏଇଠି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିବି। ମୋର ଡିଗ୍ରୀର ବର୍ଷ ଦେଢ଼ ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ହିଁ ଛୁଆ ରହିଲା, ସो ମୋତେ ପଢ଼ା ଡେଫର କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିଲା। କରିକି ପୁଣି ଆଉ ବର୍ଷେ ପରେ ମୁଁ ପୁଣି କଲି, କୋର୍ସଟା ସାରିଲି। ବହୁତ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜିଂ ଏଠି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ନେଟୱାର୍କ ଆଉ ସପୋର୍ଟ ନ ରହିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋର ଗୋଟିଏ ଆଡଭାଇସ୍ ହେଉଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଯେ ଏଇ ଦେଶରେ ମୁଁ ଯାହା ଦେଖିଛି ଯେ କାମରେ ତୁମର ସ୍କିଲ୍ଟା ଯେତେ ଦରକାର ହୁଏନି, କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନଟା ବେଶୀ ଦରକାର ହୁଏ। ମୋତେ ଲାଗେ ଆମର ଲୋକମାନେ ଯେଉଁକି इवन जेंट्स माने जे भी आसुचंती इंडिया रो यूजुअली तांकर एजुकेशन लेवल इज ऑलवेज गुड, तांकर एजुकेशनल स्किल्स भी भल थाए, किंतु बेले बेले चैलेंज रहे कम्युनिकेशन स्किलटा। तो सेटा फोन करिया बहुत दरकार। दुई तीनटा भाବରେ करिया गोटे होची आइदर लोकली किछि पाठ पढो, जदि भी तुम छोटो किछि डिग्री की सर्टिफिकेट जहाँ भी करि पारलो सेटा बहुत बेनिफिशियल हुए, काहे ना तुम सही एनवायरनमेंट रे तांकर संगे रही तांकर संगे कथा करी असाइनमेंट करके बहुत किछि शिखि पारो। ଆଉ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ କଥା ବି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଜବ୍ର ବ୍ରେକ୍ ପାଇବା ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟ, ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ଏଇଟା କଷ୍ଟ ରହିଥାଏ, ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କରିଛୁ, ତେଣୁ ଫ୍ଲେକ୍ସିବଲ୍ ରହିବା ବି ବହୁତ ଦରକାର। ଆଉ ନିଜକୁ ଅକ୍ୟୁପାଏ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରୋଫେସନାଲି ହୁଏତ ତମେ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ପାଇନଥାଇ ପାର, କିନ୍ତୁ ଭଲେଣ୍ଟିୟର କାମ କର। ମୁଁ ବି କରୁଥିଲି, ମୁଁ ବର୍ଷେ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଭଲେଣ୍ଟିୟର କାମ କରିଥିଲି, ବହୁତ କିଛି ଶିଖିଲି ସେଥିରୁ। ତ ମୋର ଆଡଭାଇସ୍ ରହିବ ଯେ ଭଲେଣ୍ଟିୟରିଂ କର, ସେଇଟାକୁ ତମେ ୱାର୍କ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ହିସାବରେ ଦେଖେଇ ପାରିବ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମର ଜବ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ହବ କି ଯାହା ବି ହବ ତମେ କହିପାରିବ ଯେ ତମେ ଖାଲି ବସିନ, ମାନେ ୟୁ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ବି ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦିସ୍ ସୋସାଇଟି। ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ବହୁତ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ହେଲ୍ପ କରେ। ଇଭେନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁରେ ତମେ କହିପାରିବ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା କରୁଥିଲି, ମୁଁ ବସିନି ଖାଲି ପଢ଼ୁଥିଲି, ମୁଁ ଇଏ କରୁଥିଲି, ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଟ୍ରାଇଂ ଟୁ ଲର୍ନ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଦିସ୍ କଲଚର। ସୋ ସେଇଟା ହେଲ୍ପ କରେ। ମୁଁ କହିବି ଯେ ଏଇ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ରଖ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ। ଆଉ ୟେସ୍, ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଡୁ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ, ଡୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ୍ ୟୋର୍ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେशन skills. It is absolutely what like the most important criteria for your job.
Okay. That's really important, and I'm sure बहुत जन आपन को suggestions to benefit होबे करबा। So चलन हमरो आज last question मेरे संस्कृत नानी को पचारिबा, but then everyone is welcome to contribute.
Yeah, to say one more thing. Yes, big topic. Besides subscribe community, this is a very big topic. We all have come across this one, right? We all are the same. We all are the same level. As Ruby said before, we ought to work or we ought to stay at home. Everything is a challenge. Don't worry about it. We all have struggled in the initial times. Never been easy. मुझे जहाँ संगे दिखाई नमस्ते मुझे volunteering is so important. And मुझे जब medical field में देखना देखते, I felt in coming to this country the best thing I learned is जितने तुम face show off कर रहे हो ना, that is such a important कि तुम you are there every time. अरे सिर्फ क्या कि दिल्ली आउटस्टेट की तारा interest होती है. That's why he's coming. Even if you get money or not, doesn't matter. खाली face को show करवाना एक बड़ी बड़ा insult ही. Along with communication skills, I always thought, because being raised in India, we always say कि थोड़ी वो काम करो. There's nothing secondary or third. So always I thought कि work speaks for you, but that's not always true. Along with work, you need the interpersonal relationship. अगर हमें काम करूँ चुआ अच्छी करे ना, back में बोला बात. We have no time to think about कि staff का colleagues आए तो chat करें कौन करें. That doesn't take too long. But if you do that, you form a part of them. You are never secluded, and they understand you are different. You have different background, but they take you from there, right?
They are culturally absolutely. You know, हमें culturally भी हमें we are brought up like that. बोलती कि ना किसी को एक बहुत situations where you might know the right answer, but you don't know it. So I think it is very important that we open up and talk. And if we think that someone is wrong, बहुत बार होते से सिर्फ professor ना, if he hasn't thought of it, मुझे कहना उचित, वो चुप रहेगा. But so many times when someone else junior to you say something wrong more confidently than I say the right thing confidently.
That is when you speak up.
Wow, हमें सिर्फ ऐसे क्या करेंगे? हमने other than professional life मुझे लगे जैसे निजरा support network build करेगा भी बहुत दरकार है.
जी भी थिले जो 2-4 जन थिले ताकर मैं बहुत किछि सिखिछि केबे भी माने हेजिटेट करबन जे मते एटा दरकार किंतु मु कहि पारुनी सेटा कहबा ठीक नुह जदि तुम सांग साथी बेस कोटे अछि तुमर पेरेंट्स की तुमर फैमिली एति नानंती तेनु तुम सांग साथी को तुमर माने सपोर्ट नेटवर्क ता करो तमे ताको सहायता करो सिमान तुमको सहायता करो डोंट बी एवर अफ्रेड टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प I think that's important.
That's very important because most of us don't have family here.
Correct.
So we have to create a family amongst friends that we have.
Correct.
Support network nothing, everything is feels like a mountain.
Yes, true. That's so true. Definitely true. So, ठीक है चिनानी सस्मिता नानी, just share with us about your plans future के लिए किसी का मैं बहुत अच्छा plan करूँ करेगा मैं future को जाए कि ना what are your plans?
फ्यूचर प्लान्स ओके बहुत लोगों पर बहुत कुछ प्लान थिला कोविड पर एवरीबॉडी जस्ट थॉट करके जस्ट बी वेरी क्वाइट तो वो पे माने आई हैव कम टू स्टेसी मुझे अपन सेकेंडरी स्कूल आवड़े जे वी स्टार्ट करलानी सो आई विल जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट आई टेल अबाउट माय सेल्फ बहुत जल्दी आज मुझे आई गॉट मैरिड वेरी अर्ली आई गॉट मैरिड इन माय फाइनल MBBS and then I got a child with my first year internship that too I am a single room hostel रह के करती but hats off to my mom, the exam helped a lot to MBBS content to get into medicine and everything. She was a housewife, but how she was managing. I think being a housewife, she always wanted to see her child getting independence or getting the status of like equality or something like that. And she kind of moved her out there. She said, "very lucky because she knows I do." Muslim parents to pot the body I think those kind of things are there. So I grew up in that of life. So now she passed the baton to my mother. Oh God, she's out. And ability to keep that, I get up to me. She was very, very helpful. She gave a whole time to me. So both of them are equally good. So I could not, what I wanted to say is I could not do a lot of things which I wanted to do because I had, even though people think Chestika that he got to wear, Singapore, but it was very tough. Like 1 year of Chua, MBBS for it, he had no. She like even the medicine course of how to how to give birth to child, how to raise them, you have no books for that. So say that then I never took time off work. Only 1 year time off weekly, but we worked. So we managed to do something out of it. So I had a lot of things. We all like traveling, so I had traveled a little bit. We had plans to travel a little bit more energy or free time, but that has stopped. So every move I'll go to part time maybe for next year. We spend some time with my little girls and all the little Nahati Bodo we move on again with their career. Yeah. Most important for me is my parents. I think they are young, always we feel they are young, but I this COVID has realized they are getting old. So I think more to holiday plan everything all from India. So I'm trying if I could, I will go India twice a year. But I will plan change we will not go as a family, we will go as whenever we can to catch up as a family. But still just that those things are there, but nothing solid as that. On my work front, I am doing women's diploma type of degree. It was just sorry, hopefully I can figure that this year.
That's nice. That's nice. Mitalavi, what about you? Apart plans for future?
I think
Apart from writing that book.
yes, correct. And I also love to travel. I think our plan it was to enter Egypt and do a South American trail as well, but I don't know how COVID will track. Hopefully, hatta goda chaluଥିବା bhittare and pilla mane ama sange accompany kariyako raji hochuva bhittare I feel like doing. But having said that, one of my colleagues said ଯେତେବେଳେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପିଲାଙ୍କର tickets pay କରିବ ସେମାନେ will come with you. So let's see. But I would love to travel with the family.
That's nice. Rosemary, what are your plans? What are your future plans?
ମୋର ବି ଟିକେ ଭାବିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ବହୁତ ଅଛି ମନରେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଅଛି ଯେ ମୁଁ ପିଲାଦିନେ ଆମେ ରଷିଆରେ ରହିଥିଲୁ ମୁଁ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜଟା ଶିଖିଥିଲି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବଡ଼ ହେଲା ପରେ ଭୁଲିଗଲେଣି ମୋର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଅଛି ଟୁ ରିଭିଜିଟ୍ ଟୁ ରିଲର୍ନ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ବି ଅଛି ମୋ ଭଉଣୀ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆମେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି 2-3 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି ଏ ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହେଉଛେ ଯେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଟିକେ ବଡ଼ ହେଲା ପରେ ତାର ଛୁଆ ଆମେ ଛୋଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ଟିକେ ବଡ଼ ହେଲା ପରେ ଆମେ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ଆମେ 2 ଜଣ ଦି ଭଉଣୀମାନେ ଟିକେ ବୁଲିବାକୁ revisit Moscow again, ଯୋଉଠି ଆମେ ସବୁ ରହିଥିଲୁ ସେ ସବୁ ଜାଗା ଦେଖିବାକୁ प्लस आमर टी यूरोप बुलवा प्लान भी अछि समस्त जानिथिबो इंडिया रे पेरेंट्स होइला माने हम सब छुट्टी जाओ इंडिया रो आस इंडिया को जाओ पुणी इंडिया आस निज पई केबे समय मिलेनी तेणु यूरोप ट्रिप टा हमर करे इच्छा अछि देखा जाऊ
Altogether, Samasthangara travel plans achi. Hopefully, COVID will not be a spoil sport here. Now, Samasthangara travel करने की chance मिलेगा. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am sure our viewers will बहुत benefit और अपना answers सुनेंगे ना. Thank you once again so much for joining us.
Thank you.